unexpected incident happened with this man. Because of dodging the pink car, he fell off the road. The bike prevented him from standing, made him stuck with the bike. This moment was caught up by a kid when he and his mom walked her out from his school after class. Hey mom, that man need us to help him. He can't get out of there after the accident. We have to give him a hand. And without hesitation, this kid rushed to the man. He was ready to give this man a hand to help him out. What a kind-hearted and adorable guy, isn't he? The boy was very enthusiastic in helping the man, despite his small stature, and also the kid's mom, of course, in this situation, who could stand there and watch. His foot is bleeding, and that was the reason he couldn't get out. Without the help of the boy and his brother, imagine what he could do when he was in this situation. Thanks for the Keith and his mom. The man got out of stuck and very appreciated for the boy. What would you do if you was there and see this situation? I think you should be like this boy. He may be small, but his heart is full of love. In the end, this boy cleaned all Theric on the road to keep safe for other people. What a cute boy. His mom has to be very proud of him. Let's go home, sweetheart. You are a good kid, everyone proud of you. This restaurant's owner was cleaning the table after guests left like normal day. And the poor kid appeared in his restaurant. He seemed like come here to escape from some bottle for self. Of course, the owner was very pleased to give him some bottle to let him our money. The kid was very appreciated. But before he left, he looked at a bowl of noodle. He might be hungry, and he was craving for that delicious noodles. But he only had a coin, and of course with that amount of money, he couldn't afford to buy a bowl of noodles. It seemed like the owner knew Faye was hungry, and with a warm heart, the owner was ready to treat him a bowl of noodles for his hungry stomach. He received that bowl of noodles and ready to sit down and eat. But because of something, he was hesitant to eat. No one knew what was he thinking. After that, the kid brought the bowl out to do something. Do anyone here wonder what was he doing like the restaurant? The owner followed the kid to go out and he couldn't believe what was happening at that moment. The poor kid with a hungry stomach was giving his food for a blind man. He was pretending that his mom wanted to give the blind man this bowl of noodles. But the blind man really didn't mean to receive the gift of the kid. And he really wanted that the kid would eat the bowl of noodles with him instead of things. In the deeply of the kid's heart, he really wanted to give the blind man this bowl of noodles to help him, because he knew that he is more lucky than his blind man. At least, the kid had his health. And he thought that himself is better than many people out there. And that's why he wants to help people who are more hard than he. The restaurant's owner couldn't stand there anymore. And he made another bowl for the blind man. Not only did he make for him a bowl of noodles, but also he bought all the vegetable that was sold by that blind man to help him. This kind-hearted man immediately took all of the blind's vegetable and gave him money. The good thing that the owner did is really appreciated. Because of that, the kid bent over just to respect him and show his grateful. Thanks you for watching. Hope you enjoy our video.